channel Shilpa Banala Vlogs. Guys, this video is about Marine Nest Aqua. It is a saltwater fish store located in Bannerghatta Road, Bangalore. They deal with different kinds of marine saltwater fishes, marine products such as equipments, tank setups, fish food and lot more. Saltwater fishes transportation to different places is available in the store. So guys, let's get into the video and let's see what all kinds of fishes are available in the store.
That is Fiji radiata lionfish. That is a draft kind of lionfish. But again, it's a carnivorous. So be careful if you're planning to introduce this fish in a small tank. It's a carnivorous fish. You see over here, that is a bicolored blenny. It's very small actually. That is a sea bay clown. You see over here, that is a hawkfish, juvenile hawkfish. That is a moon ross or green ross. That is three-spot damsel. See, that is boxer shrimp. And here you can see the cleaner shrimp. Cleaner shrimp, it will eat your parasites. It's very good for reef, any other marine aquarium. You see over here, there is a starfish, that is the common star, and that is a yellow common starfish. That one. There is a black moon tail damsel, the scissor tail damsel. A black moon tail damsel. There is the Indian Ocean blue damsel or yellow tail damsel. And that is the Lynchia star, red Lynchia star. That is a red lobster. And one more species is there, that is the tiger crystal shrimp. You see the back side of that, the tiger crystal shrimp. Fiji damsel. They are shy and they are very scared. That's why they are not showing their proper color. People are asking, sir, why the color is not prominent. I tell you, sir, we shopkeeper here, we sell the fishes and we used to drop the hand 1,000 times in a day. So they are in full stress. So once they settle in your tank, they will become lot more beautiful and they will show you the exact color. Here, all are stressed out fishes. They are scared, they are not showing the proper color. So the people are asking that Google show the different color and why that color is not coming here. That is the main reason behind it. And over here there is an animal tank is there. You see some bubble tip animal, there is a green bubble tip animal. And that is tube worms. You see there is a tube worms. There is a pink carpet. Along with the pink carpet, you see that is the anemone crab. Excuse me. That is a starfish. That is a common star. You see over there, that is a Lynchia one. That is a Lynchia star. And that is a sea urchins. That is called flower sea urchins. The fish you see here, that is the sweetlips. Yellow banded sweetlips. It's a grouper fish, but it's required a little bit of big aquarium because the species are getting big very small span of time. You see one very exotic fish over here, that is the gold striped soapfish. That fish is very exotic. I'm not selling it. It's for me. The particular fish is carnivorous. And over here, there is a spotted ross. There is a black spotted ross over here, red line ross. That is a Dr. Ross is there. That is a Queen Coris juvenile. There is a Queen Coris Ross juvenile size. And some golden trevally over here. There is a grouper fish. Golden trevally. Some people are getting confused. They ask me whether this is reef safe or not. Sir, I tell you, this is the partial reef safe with caution. But the small size won't affect any reef, according to my knowledge. And over here, see here some golden-head goby. This is a golden-head goby. Very good sand cleaning. This clean the sand very fast. And if you see the yellow one, that is a banana ross, yellow ross or banana ross. That is, you see the small one over here, that is a watchman goby. And that is a jewel ross. Ross varieties, jewel ross. And you see back side of that one, that is a red dragonet. Red dragonet blenny. You can come here and show you one more species. This is a tank breed Parcula clown, true Parcula. Okay, and this is designer clown, blue green promise. Again, this is the designer clown. The pattern is different. If the pattern is different, the price will be different. This is also designer clown. And you see, that is the A1 grade designer clown over here. That is the A1 grade. That is the normal Parcula, tank breeded Parcula. All are tank breeded. This is the Parcula clown, normal one. A few turbo snail is there, turban snail. It will clean the algae from the bottom of your tank, even from rock itself, glass itself. Very good algae eater. accessories as well as that marine related any item you can get here. And the thing is, due to the COVID situation, the transport will be the issue. Sometimes the stock will not come very regular basis, so definitely we will overcome it, and within a month everything will be available in our site. And the thing is, a lot of people asking for sending the fishes outside Karnataka. I tell before the previous video, I also tell them, sir, one fish or two fish is not possible to send outside Karnataka. If you guys want to fish, at least you can take one box of fishes so I can send it. It's not possible to send, sir, please send me one fish or two fish. It's not possible to send at all. The medium box and at least 10 numbers of fishes come. So if you planning to purchase simultaneously 10 fishes in the same time, definitely I will send it by bus, by plane, I can send it. So please try to avoid such things, and anything apart from marine fishes, any accessories, related items, salt, filter media, beneficial bacteria, anything you can get here.
I hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tap bell icon. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye, take care.